What's going on, credit snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I want to bring you a video on the fastest way to increase your credit score in 2021. Guys, stay tuned.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
Once again, guys, welcome back. It's your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, I am excited that you guys are here today. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Guys, like, and share. Make sure that you click on that bell icon and go to all. So like that, you'll be notified every time that we come with some new content. Guys, one more thing that I'm gonna ask you, I'm bringing you nuggets today. All I ask in return is give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up. My goal, my mission is to help others become a better version of themselves. And how I can do that? By teaching them the ins and outs on how to get to the 800 club. I know this is what you hear. This is my goal, to help you and help many and thousands of others to do the same. So you do me that favor, give me a thumbs up so like that I'm able to reach them. Like that the YouTube gods and the algorithms help us out to get to them. Now guys, the fastest way, hands down, on how to get to a high credit score like this is adding trade lines. Guys, it's not a secret. It is the way that you need to do, and you need to learn what trade line are. Now, trade line. So a trade line is any revolving or installment account that you have in your credit report. Now, what are those? Credit, you have your auto loans, you have your home loans, you have your credit cards. Now, here today we are going to be talking, and first of all, before I continue, guys, this question of this topic today, this content today is because a couple of my clients been asking about trade lines. And I want to tell you too that in our course, you get 80% discounts on trade lines. So I'm gonna tell you a little more what trade lines are and how to get in the course and be able to actually reap the benefits of being part of the best credit blueprint. Now guys, when we talk about trade lines, we're talking about the AU, so authorized users. Now, this is, like I said, the hands down, the fastest way to get to a higher credit score in no time, guys. Now, how trade lines work, guys. So let's say, for example, AU, authorized user. Let's just say you have your mom, for conversation sake. Your mom has a credit card that is 21 years old. Let's say 20 years old for conversation sake. And it is $25,000. Now, she kept this credit card as like the baby. She treated better than you, and she been able to pay all her payments on time, never been late, and her credit utilization is, let's say, 5% or less. In this case, she's able to add you to that credit card as an authorized user. Only as an authorized user. Doesn't mean that you get a card, doesn't mean that you have a say on anything that happened in the credit card, but you are, in this case, added to the credit card or as an authorized user. Okay, once you get added to the trade line, means that the credit line and the age of that credit card will be added to your credit report. Now, it could be anything between 3 days to almost 45 days, depending on the closing statement date of that credit card or the lender that you're actually choosing. But the good thing is that it could be as close or as fast as that 3 to 5 days, and you could be adding to your credit report between 100 to almost 200 points. Guys, now imagine that you're in the 600, you want to get to the 700 to get better lending because you're looking for a new vehicle and you're trying to pay less and get better lending on that vehicle, even home, or even a better credit card because you want to start a business, because you want to do something different in life, because you want to do some repairs in your house, and you're able to use this one trick and you find the right credit card in order to help you even jump 150 points. Imagine you are in the 600s and you're able to go to 750 like this, guys. That can be life-changing, right? Now, guys, for the most part, every year of age on the trade line or that you are added as an authorized user could give you 6 points per good year. So So let's say, for example, 6 points times 15. Let's just say you get a 15-year-old card that has $20,000 in credit limit. But 15 years old, it could give you 90 points on your credit report. Now imagine you are 650 and you haven't been able to break that 700 barrier. And all of a sudden, overnight, you are able to get to 740, guys. That is life-changing. Now imagine you're able to actually acquire at 30, 40, and the highest I've seen before is between 50 to 55-year-old credit card. Guys, that could be life-changing for many of us, and you too. Now guys, one of the things you gotta keep in mind is a trade line stays on your credit report. Now, depending on who you get it from, so if you get it from a family member, or if you get it from your mom, grandma, father, brother, it could stay there indefinitely, as long as they want to keep you as an authorized user. Now, if you get it from a company, that's going to be between 45 to 90 days, depending on what deal you actually made with this company. But something that I want to tell you is that as soon as a trade line comes off, you still keep the age in your credit report. Now guys, trade lines. So you have the B grade trade lines, you got the A grade trade lines, and you got your A plus trade lines. So what is that B grade trade lines? So B grade trade lines we're talking about is like the store cars. We're talking about Lowe's, you have Home Depots, you have your JCPenney's, you have your Walgreens, your Walmarts, your Best Buys. Now these are B lines or B grade trade lines. Now your A grade trade lines, it will be like your Barclays, your Discover, and your Capital One. Now your A plus trade lines are your Citibanks, you have your Chase, Wells Fargo, you have your Bank of America. They are a little more prestigious, a lot harder to get, but they signify a lot more strength on your credit report. Think about your credit report as your resume. So anytime that you are going to get new credit, the strength of those lenders, the age that you have on your credit files, and the amount or the credit lines that you have available on your credit reports tell and dictate how much you will be able to get, or how much you'll be able to qualify, or even qualify in any future debt. So for example, if you're going for a home, or if you're going for a credit, let's just say a vehicle, and all you had in your life was B line or B grade trade lines, it may be a little harder for you depending on your credit score. But if you are able to increase throughout times from your B to your A, so no matter what, at the beginning, all you're gonna get is your B grade. Over time, as long as you are able to pay on time and keep the right amount of credit lines, you're gonna increase to your A grade or to your A grade credit lines and your A plus credit lines. So as long as you have your A plus credit lines, and guess what, guys? If you don't have it, your goal is to actually go out there and get a trade line that could put you to the next step. If all you have was B grade, then go get a trade line that at least give you an A grade trade line. Get one or two. And I'm going to tell you how many you should get at one time. So one or two to get you to the next step. So like that, when you are able and ready to apply to get an A plus trade line, guys, it's no brainer. Banks will actually approve you for it. Now guys, how many trade lines you should get at one time? Now my goal for you, and the goal that you should always strive for, is get two. Let me explain to you why. So the goal here, let's just say you are in the 650, 670, 680s. You want to get one with the less credit line and the high age. And you also want to get one with a high credit line with less age. And I'll tell you why. It shows the banks that you, over time, you increasingly were responsible and being able to actually get better trade lines or better credit lines for your credit report. So for example, let's just say you got a $2,000 credit card that now you have for 10 years, but you'll be able to pay it on time and great. But all of a sudden, 3 years ago, you were able to get an $11,000 credit card. That means that over time, you've been increasing and it showed responsibility to the banks. So anytime that you're gonna go ahead and next time you're gonna go apply for a Discover card for $15,000, That right there, that's a resume that shows your banker or your creditor that you are responsible, and they should give you the increase or what you are looking for from the bank. So, and guys, one thing that I want to tell you, we are the best credit blueprint right here, guys. 516-600-0127. Guys, in our course, not only you're going to learn how to actually create your own blueprint, but also you're gonna get personalized credit repair. Now we're talking about trade lines. You also get 80% discount for being part of the best credit blueprint with our preferred vendor, guys. Don't miss this. I know that you want to raise your credit report today. I know the holidays are around the corner. Do it. It's only gonna take you between 3 to 4 days, as long as you get the right trade line. And if you need help with that, let us help you. Get it, be able to actually qualify, get the store card, the B grade trade line, or even the A grade trade line, to be able to qualify and apply for what you want, and be able to actually afford what you want in these holidays. But guys, before I continue, I want to make sure that I tell you that, one, I am not an attorney or a CPA, so keep this in mind, that what I'm telling you is for educational purposes only. But what I'm also telling you is things that I lived. This blueprint I created for me. It has worked. It brought me from the 590, 95 to now who I am at 804. Not who I am, where I'm at right now at 804. But guys, it has helped not only me but many of my clients. So I want to share this with you. But at the same time, guys, be responsible when you get credit. The more credit you get, I know the more tempted you are to want to get the craziest things that you want. I'm there with you. I want to get the vehicles, and yes, do it. But as long as you are able to pay them. All right? I'm just saying, if you cannot pay, if you don't make 3 times what you want to pay, don't do it, guys. Get the credit card created, because once you're ready and once you start making that money, you know that you can pay, you got it, baby. You're able to actually make it happen and get it. Guys, thank you for being here today. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. I hope you love this content. Guys, comment, let me know how we did. Let me know how we could do better, and let me know any topics that you are looking for that you want us to talk about. We are here to help you. Once again, don't forget, if you are new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure you like and share. Make sure that you click on that bell icon. Click on all at the same time. Don't forget to, if you need us, give us a call. The best credit blueprint, 516-600-0127. Now, if you're looking for a trade line, in the bottom, I'm gonna put the link of our preferred trade line company, so like that you're able to benefit from this. But at the same time, guys, we having a free training coming up. Free training, don't forget to actually to sign up for it. No strings attached. It's gonna be December 10th at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, so that we're able to reach many more. We want to help many thousands in America. Guys, Carlos Estrada Vega, best credit blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big bucks, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?